Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you very much. Affiliate marketing, what is and do, how to great start. The affiliate marketing and how to can start doing the yourself. Affiliate marketing is a marketing model in which in the third party publisher promote and merchant goods or service and review practice of the sales or web traffic made your result. It is the traffical uh, courses to key part of more the digital marketing affiliate marketing approval to business because in an enable that is the mate and marketing goal and this how cost its benefit affiliates by offering them the opportunity to make possible income, the grading affiliate income requested develop a platform and building an online audience. In addition, it's essential to stay current with affiliates marketing industry tenders. For example, according on affiliates inside the affiliate integration and the core software will be pay including rules and the affiliate markets collect data and market decide. Meta social media marketing. What is the affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing review, share, make mode, which is third-party affiliate charge as blogger, YouTube, or influencer advertising a business goal, the service to help meet sales or marketing goal business Mining word and the affiliate each at the following in increase sales, attach more web traffic, improve brand awareness, and content with the affiliate audience. Example, it shows companies partner with the fitness blogger to reach and that blog the show fitness medium reside thought and the beginners SaaS and shows company can expect more site visit and the booster sales. Someone new consider and there's the payment subscription that is the make affiliate and this the business to can the affiliate to lot of the traffics and affiliate marketing such around the companies. The commission part of the sales free product and the simple exclusive network opportunity and this education how to do the affiliate work. The affiliate marketing in over to make action to choose pay and unique part to the market process. They are the affiliated and publisher individual and anti-promoter with the product for service. The merchant, you individual and single product service and affiliate promote the affiliate network and the increase between an affiliate merchants and affiliate program will the affiliate and the means can contract the without an affiliate network and its commission channels as and relationship the customers individual whose process and product throws the affiliate merchant partner and with the affiliate and cross and an audience and customer and affiliate consider the host to the affiliate marketing program and the affiliate make example there are the Google digital e-commerce affiliate marketing salaries. Mm, Affiliate marketer high self salary and taken the affiliate marketing builds an audience and make profit. Where are the EU salaries average 2023 G frequency and $72,000, $55,000 and glass road door at 5,055 9,000. How to start an affiliate marketing read to being the journey the follows step between step and process pink your niche affiliate marketing able to their niche number two what are the two traffics peak your marketing channel that the merchant your niche and join an affiliate marketing network Just with the 10 affiliate network, a Win, ClickBank, Amazon, Exort, and Recboard, Easy Affiliate, eBay Partner Network, and Conjugal Affiliate CJ. Example, the content marketing, the search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email list. Because consider and maybe to scale and lot of provide. Affiliate marketing tips. Are you building say to affiliate marketing business and great most your profile site? Consider the reward you can earn, build an affiliate dashboard, the creativity token relationship, being your affiliate marketing join and your consider AdSense. Thank you very much. Nicely presentation, the affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing to and the goals.